Our marketing plan project will be covering the Ruiz Food Company and the brand Artisan Bistro. Our group members are Zarina Chris-Marasigan, Marta Oyen, Na Her, and Tammy Gong.
We will be going over the history and background, the marketing environment, marketing mix and marketing segments, Artisan Bistro's value proposition, including sales, a SWOT analysis, strategic objectives, promotional plan, financial projections, and risks.
Ruiz Food's mission statement is, "We are committed to delivering quality products and outstanding customer service. Our mission is to be the best frozen Mexican food company in North America." Artisan Bistro's mission statement is, "At Artisan Bistro, we believe natural food should actually be the best tasting food."
Ruiz Food started in 1964 in Tulare, California by Louis Ruiz and his son Fred. Using family recipes from Fred's mother, Rose Ruiz, they began by selling enchiladas to mom-and-pop grocery stores throughout California's central San Joaquin Valley. Later, they added tamales and burritos to their production. Fred was in charge of production and Louis was in charge of delivery and sales.
As of today, the company is headquartered in Dinuba, California, and is manufacturing and has distribution facilities in 3 states: California, Texas, and South Carolina. As a result, the company is able to produce 40 pounds of food every 6 seconds, with the most well-known brand including their flagship El Monterrey, the #1 frozen food, Mexican food in the United States, Tornadoes, the leader in convenience store roller grill, and new products Artisan Bistro and Three Bold Brothers.
In the last 5 years, between 2013 and 2018, the frozen food industry has found growth in innovation and the introduction of new products. With the rise of per capita income comes health-conscious consumers who will choose healthier, fresh food over traditional frozen food products, which are seen as unhealthy. Due to this, the frozen food industry has responded by reevaluating their product offerings to address the diet trends and has started introducing healthier, more nutritious options. There were 2,105 businesses in the United States focused on frozen food production as of June 2018.
The annual growth of frozen food production industry is projected to be 1.5% from 2018 to 2023. The annual growth from 2013 to 2018 is 0.7%. Due to the diverse marketplace and the prevalence of small and moderate frozen food producers, competition is considered moderate. The 2 main competitors in the natural organic frozen handheld category are Amy's, which only offers vegetarian options, and Red's.
The Artisan Bistro product offerings include 4 burritos: grilled chicken burrito, grilled steak burrito, organic burrito with chicken, and organic burrito with steak. The products were created to address the growing trend in the frozen food industry.
Artisan Bistro's value proposition is to deliver the best quality burrito at a good price. Prior to Artisan Bistro burritos, there was no other brand that delivered a natural or organic burrito product that had good meat, tasted good, and had a good value. Artisan Bistro burritos are made with premium ingredients. They also have compelling claims on their packaging that consumers value, such as antibiotic-free beef and chicken, nor artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and 0-gram trans fats.
In terms of product, Artisan Bistro is a premium product with premium ingredients. The burritos are the best burritos with meat in the natural/organic handheld category, offered for an average price. The burritos have better piece identity and flavor than its competitors. The flavors are also mainstream, such as chicken and beef. Artisan Bistro appeals to flexitarians who are vegetarians but also eat meat occasionally. They are currently the only brand in the natural and organic handheld category that delivers meat plus taste plus value. Line extensions are also planned for Artisan Bistro. A breakfast burrito is expected to launch in early 2019, and Ruiz Foods is exploring creating alternative protein and vegetarian burritos. In terms of price, Artisan Bistro is competitively priced against other brands in the category. To ensure that the product is competitively priced, the company looked at other products in the category. Priced at about $2.50 per burrito, Artisan Bistro burritos are lower than Amy's, on par with Evo's, and higher than Red's.
Ruiz Foods has no marketing budget and does very little promotions. The very few promotions that they do include retailer-specific promotions, such as digital coupons on store loyalty cards. Currently, Kroger's and Albertsons are Ruiz Foods' test partners for Artisan Bistro. Kroger is a major player in the natural organic market. They are the second biggest retailer behind Walmart. Ruiz Foods also plans to increase distribution of Artisan Bistro to 30% of all stores within the next 5 years. A few of the stores that Ruiz Foods is trying to gain distribution that have a strong presence with natural organic consumers are Publix, Whole Foods, and Sprouts.
The customer segment for natural and organic products breaks down as follows. 85% of organic users are adults, and 31% of them are weekly users. Millennials and boomers make up a majority of the generation segment at 38% and 35%. The household segment is 71% with no children, and ethnically it is extremely skewed to Caucasians at 76%.
Ruiz Foods measures how well a product is doing by dollar velocity, which takes how many sales per store per unit of time. Artisan Bistro's velocity is better than everyone in the natural organic handheld category except for Amy. The dollar velocity for Artisan Bistros is $10 to $12 per store per week and currently priced at $2.50. That translates to about 5 burritos per store per week. Ruiz Foods also measures how well a product is doing compared to other brands in the same category. They use data from Nielsen and place the products into 3 tiers based on velocity: top, mid, and bottom tier. If the product is in the mid to top tier, that means the product is doing well. Products in the bottom tier eventually get discontinued. Artisan Bistro is currently in the top tier. It did very well during its test in Albertsons, and distribution has been expanded and will be offered to other retailers. Sales are currently about $1 million annually for Artisan Bistros, with hopes of doubling every year. The plan is to grow the business to $30 to $50 million within the next 10 years.
Some of the strengths of Artisan Bistro are: during a blind taste test, 75% of participants said they would buy Artisan Bistro products. Surveys show that 90% of consumers would be interested in purchasing Artisan Bistro products. Artisan Bistro's dollar velocity is higher than their main competitors with meat. Some of their weaknesses include: Artisan Bistro's advantages can be easily copied. Price, taste, and look is something that a more established brand can copy and nullify Ruiz Foods' impact to the organic and natural market. They have no marketing budget and very little promotion. Currently, Ruiz Foods is not able to produce organic burritos internally. Ruiz Foods does not currently have an organic certified plant. The product needs to be produced by an organic certified plant. Because organic burritos cannot be produced internally, costs are higher when they are co-packed. People also don't know the brand Artisan Bistro because the brand is fairly new. There is low brand awareness.
Opportunities include increased interest in organic, healthier frozen food offerings. Health-conscious consumers are choosing healthier fresh foods over traditional frozen food products. This is driving growth in the natural organic handheld frozen food category. There are few competitors. The main competitor, Amy's, only offers vegetarian products. Artisan Bistro is currently the only brand in the natural organic handheld category that delivers meat plus taste plus dollar value. Artisan Bistro has line extensions planned for the future. In 2019, they are planning on launching the breakfast burrito. They are also looking into burritos with alternative proteins and vegetarian burritos. Some threats include placement of products within stores, which can negatively affect sales. Artisan Bistro was in Target, but did not sell well because it was placed in the snacks and appetizers section and not the natural organic handheld section. Also, if another brand, small brand with better tasting burrito and the right price comes in, there will also be a threat to Artisan Bistros. Competitors are also a threat. Amy's is currently the number one in the natural organic handheld category, but Amy's burritos are only vegetarian. The United States population is only about 3% vegetarian, which means a lot of flexitarians are buying Amy's. There are also vulnerabilities in protecting the Artisan Bistro organic burrito recipes. Since organic burritos are co-packed, the co-packer has access to the recipes. Also, if someone from the R&D team goes to a competitor, there's also risk there.
Ruiz Foods' most critical strategic objectives for their long-term success are the company's goals to increase sales and increase the company's profitability with the launch of new product lines that can expand on their current market share. Ruiz Foods has a clear potential strategic objective that emphasizes on growing their sales that can help the company to increase in sales revenue as well as bring in more profit for the company. Another primary strategic objective of Ruiz Foods is to develop new product lines to the market. The company is also looking closely into penetrating markets. For instance, the Northeast Territory, where the company has a minimal presence and access. The company's actions that lead to an increase in sales are the company's plan to improve their sales in vending machines, chain stores, and convenience stores, as well as strengthen the company's co-packing business for other manufacturers. Ruiz Foods is planning to make Artisan Bistro become the second player in the frozen, natural, organic handheld category, which currently they are the 5th player in, across the country because of limited distribution. Ruiz Foods measures the success of their strategic objectives relating to the increase of number of sales as well as their sales revenue of the company by using dollar velocity strategy. By using the dollar velocity method, Ruiz Foods can measure how much of their sales revenue grows from one period to another. Ruiz Foods also measures their success in the area of sales growth by using the benchmarking method. The company compares each specific product line against its competitors that offer their products in the same category in the same industry.
Due to limited marketing budget, Ruiz Food uses digital and social media to advertise. They also do retailer-specific promotions. Other additional tactics that they can implement are increasing advertising and in-store promotions, having a sales team focus on the Artisan Bistro brand to gain distribution, ensure there's enough money for slotting in the budget, building brand awareness, and continuing presence on social media.
The impact that we expect Ruiz Foods to achieve through marketing strategies to increase the company's profit by bringing additional customers like the following. First, the effect that we hope to achieve through the company's strategy is to create brand loyalty for customers and retain consumer base. Second, another goal that we plan to achieve through company strategy is to create the brand and product awareness to the community.
The promotional plan we are planning to implement includes social media marketing strategies, which include implementing content ad and digital advertisement, offering sample products in stores at trade shows and food fairs, and internal marketing with the goal of modifying and building better internal operations, which means implementing a sales team.
The 6-month rollout for promotional planning includes creating content ad for grilled steak and grilled chicken, run a campaign on Facebook and Instagram, create promotional codes and printable coupons, run advertising for local newspaper and radio, and train and improve product knowledge to the sales teams, and implement the new sales commission structure.
After we execute our marketing plan and promotional plan, we project that sales of Artisan Bistro product line will increase by 5% more on top of the Ruiz Foods projection of doubling every year. At the end of 2019, total sales will equal 2.1 million. At the end of 2020, 4.4 million, and 2021, 9.2 million.
For the promotional planning of Artisan Bistro product line, we will have our marketing and advertising budgeting costs with no more than $100,000 for the first year. For our projected promotional planning costs, we assume that there will be a 10% increase yearly. In year 1, costs came out to $61,000, year 2, $109,000, and year 3, $208,000.
One major internal risk for Artisan Bistro brand is capital for marketing budgeting and sales team training. Taking part of any marketing campaign is costly. To mitigate this, we must develop a detailed plan and benchmark to track and analyze performance. For major external risks, includes competitors developing a product on par with or better than Artisan Bistro, Ruiz Foods can mitigate competitors by improving its business operations and supply chains. That concludes our presentation.